Hello and welcome to Road Rush Nation. I'm Terry, your host, and in this episode, we're going to take you on a ride to the north rim of the Grand Canyon National Park, and to tell you why it's by far the best ride and one of the best ways to experience the Grand Canyon. If you've watched our channel in the past and subscribed, thank you, and we're glad to have you part of the Road Rush Nation. We always enjoy meeting members of the nation on the highways. If this is your first visit to the channel, welcome, and we hope you join the nation and come along on some amazing adventures as we share our great Harley road trips. One thing you'll learn is we never plan just a basic trip. There's always going to be something different to see and experience, like taking our bikes on a cruise ship and riding the islands, or when we went to a popular Harley movie location right along Route 66. And there's even the unique spot in Arizona that Harrison Ford just happened to visit the day after we left. We even stayed at a Harley-themed motel the night before we rode to Bryce Canyon. If you'd like to join our amazing Road Rush Nation subscribers and experience these unique places, then give us a like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of these amazing trips. So back to the ride to the north rim of the Grand Canyon National Park. This area of the country has many great national parks to visit. And if you plan on visiting more than one during a year, here's some money-saving advice. Get an annual national park pass. Let me explain why. The cost for just a motorcycle to each park is $30 for 7 days. That pass is only for that park. So if you plan on going to a few national parks during a year, it pays to get an annual pass. Now, there are various annual pass types with varying costs. There's the standard annual pass that costs $80, a senior pass that for a lifetime is $80, and an access pass for those with permanent disabilities is free, an active duty military pass, which is also free. Getting a pass will save you money, and it also makes it so much easier to go through the entrance gate. Just show your pass and ID and you're on your way to see the park. Believe me, stopping on a bike and looking for money is a pain. So show that pass and just go. So this destination was part of a bigger trip we were on that took us along Old Route 66 and the national parks in southern Utah. Word of advice when riding any national park: always be patient and watch for those drivers who may not be paying attention. You never want a great trip to end in the worst kind of trip. Now that we're in the park, let's talk about the ride to the North Rim. It's so relaxing, and the winding roads to the Pines is always my favorite. You'll see the opened area. There are even a herd of buffalo that's here, so you have to keep your eyes open. You'll never know when you might come across them. But it's such a beautiful ride, and we're not even to the rim of the Grand Canyon yet. Just sit back and let's enjoy the ride for a little bit. Now let's talk Grand Canyon. It's one of the 7 natural wonders of the world, so anywhere on the Grand Canyon is amazing. But here's why the North Rim is my choice for riding and experiencing the Grand Canyon. Take a look to the left as we ride along. That's the rim of the canyon. We're riding on the rim, so all of a sudden you're in the trees, and then as you turn your head, it's bam, there. You don't get this experience on the south entrance. Only 10% of Grand Canyon visitors come to the north entrance. There's so much less congestion, and it really goes back to the early days of the park and the buildings. You can even rent a cabin here on the rim. As we come into the parking lot, take a look to the right and you'll see these cabins. Those are the cabins that you can rent. You'll be renting and camping right on the rim of the canyon. It's amazing. This is just a great place to step back in time and really take in this amazing place. They even have a lodge that's right on the cliff of the canyon. You can sit there, relax, and take it all in. It's so worth it. So let me share a few sights of the canyon for you to enjoy. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on the next adventure. Take care, ride safe, and enjoy life. Remember, life's too short, so let's go ride.